Hi, kids. I'm gonna draw red roses for Alice. Roses live for a really long time. In fact, the oldest living rose is believed to be over 1,000 years old. It grows on the wall of a cathedral in Germany. Just like we did for the heart, I'll make this one a card. I think it's fun to make my own cards. So I'm drawing on one side, and then I'll fold the paper in two. Roses are a little tricky to draw because of the petals that are folding together. Let's give it a try. Okay, for the rose, we start with a green stem. Nice and long. And then two more stems, some leaves, and now the red rose. Very pretty. Fill it out. Give it some layers. That's good. We'll do the second one now. Similar to the first one, just a little different. And the last one. Some petals, and then we'll fill it in. And how about a bow tie? Wonderful. Now, let's write inside. To Alice. There. Here we go. A beautiful card with red roses on it. I'm gonna put it in an envelope and I'll give it to her on Valentine's Day. See you later.